To start, go to the Layout tab at the top of the Word window. This tab contains all the settings for page arrangement, including margins, size, and orientation. Click on Orientation and you'll see two options: Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default, but for a wider page, select Landscape. Your page will immediately switch to the wider layout. If you want the change to apply to the whole document, that's it. To make only specific pages landscape, place your cursor at the beginning of the page you want to adjust. In the Layout tab, click the small arrow in the Page Setup section to open the full dialog box. Select Landscape under Orientation, then choose either Selected Text or this point forward under Apply To, depending on where you want the landscape page to appear. Click OK, and only the selected pages will switch to landscape while the rest remain portrait. Scroll through your document to ensure everything fits correctly. Wide tables, charts, and images should now display without being cut off. You can always switch back to portrait for the following pages using the same steps. This method allows you to mix portrait and landscape pages in the same document, providing flexibility for reports, presentations, or any content with wide elements. Following these steps makes your documents look professional, well organized, and easier to read.